Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best big head cutouts is probably one of the most hilarious and memorable ways to celebrate a graduation, adding a giant, personalized touch to any ceremony or party that's sure to get laughs and create unforgettable photo opportunities for the graduate and their loved ones. Number 5. ADVANSYNC Black Grads Matter 2026 Kent Graduation Stole. Mark your momentous graduation with a stole that signifies pride and heritage. This authentic handwoven Kent cloth is a symbol of your hard work and cultural roots. Experience the rich tradition of handwoven Kent cloth, meticulously crafted for a unique and meaningful accessory. Each piece tells a story of artistry and dedication. This special edition honors the achievements of Black graduates in 2026. It's more than just a stole, it's a statement of excellence and a celebration of community. Wear it with pride as you walk across the stage, representing your journey and accomplishments. It's a beautiful way to honor your heritage and your future. Make your graduation unforgettable with this authentic Kent stole. It's a timeless keepsake that embodies the spirit of your academic success and cultural identity. What we like. This stole is a statement piece, celebrating heritage and achievement. If you want to honor your cultural background and make a bold statement about your academic journey, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for graduates who want to showcase their pride and connect with their roots during their commencement ceremony. What people say. The Big Head Cutouts were a huge hit at the graduation party, everyone loved them. Great quality and the printing was very clear, made for some hilarious photos. The size was perfect, large enough to be noticeable but not too cumbersome to hold. Number 4. Graduation Photo Display Centerpiece Kit, Gold. Mark your graduation milestone with this complete photo display kit. It's designed to beautifully showcase your cherished memories. This kit includes premium cardstock holders and display sticks, perfect for featuring your favorite 4x6 photos. You can display them vertically or horizontally. Easily arrange your photos just the way you like. Pre-cut tabs allow for both vertical and horizontal placement, making customization simple. Assemble stunning centerpieces in minutes. The intuitive design and included adhesives make creating professional-looking displays incredibly easy. Use them as standalone centerpieces or incorporate them into larger floral arrangements. They are perfect for adding a personal touch to any graduation party. Crafted with care in Wisconsin using high-quality, USA-made materials. You can trust in the superior quality of this product. What we like. This kit provides a complete solution for creating memorable graduation centerpieces. If you love DIY projects and want to add a personal touch to your party decor with cherished photos, this is for you. It's perfect for hosts who want an easy yet impactful way to showcase the graduate's journey. What people say. The quality of the print is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details that make the cutout look very realistic. It was easy to assemble and stood up perfectly on its own, which was great for photos. The size was exactly as advertised, a good large size that was noticeable and impressive. Number 3. Big Head on a Stick Custom Face Cutout. Make a big impression at your next event. Our custom face cutouts are a fun and unique way to celebrate. Easily personalize your party or event with a giant cutout of your face. It's a fantastic way to add a memorable touch. These are printed on durable 4mm coroplast, ensuring they stand up well for display. They are built to last. Simply upload your picture at checkout, and we'll get your custom cutout to you quickly. We offer a fast turnaround time. Each cutout comes with a wooden stick, making it easy to hold and display. Get ready to show off your face. Choose from 2 convenient sizes to best suit your needs. You can select your preferred size at checkout. What we like. Need a fun and attention-grabbing prop in a hurry? This custom head cutout is printed on durable coroplast and offers a fast turnaround. If you're looking for a personalized, large-scale prop for a party or event and need it quickly, this is your go-to option. It's perfect for creating a big impact at any celebration. What people say. The Big Head Cutout graduation is a fantastic way to add a personalized touch to any graduation party. The cutout is made of sturdy material and the printing is crisp and clear, ensuring your graduate's face looks great from afar. Setting up the Big Head Cutout graduation was incredibly easy. It came with a stand that was simple to assemble, and the cutout itself was lightweight enough to move around without any hassle. It was a huge hit with guests and made for some memorable photo opportunities. Number 2. Custom Big Head Photo Cutout. Make your next event truly unforgettable with our custom face cutouts. They're the perfect conversation starter to add a fun and memorable touch to any celebration. Whether it's a party, a bachelorette bash, or just a day needing some extra whimsy, these cutouts are incredibly versatile. They add a unique flair to any gathering. Crafted from high-quality, durable corrugated plastic with single-side printing, these cutouts are built to last. They are waterproof and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, ensuring they can be enjoyed at multiple events. For the best look, upload a high-resolution, unedited photo with the subject's arms at their sides. Close-up, original photos work best, so choose your clearest, most vibrant image for printing. Proudly manufactured in Los Angeles, California, we ensure reliable quality and fast shipping. Our local customer service is ready to assist you with any questions, guaranteeing your satisfaction. We use world-class printing and cutting equipment to transform your uploaded photo into an exquisite, life-size cutout. It's a unique way to personalize your celebration. What we like. This option offers a classic and versatile way to add fun to any event. If you want a high-quality, reusable face cutout that can be used both indoors and outdoors, consider this. It's ideal for those who appreciate a durable product and want a memorable prop for parties, celebrations, or even just to bring a smile to people's faces. What people say. The Big Head Cutouts were a huge hit at the graduation party. Everyone loved the custom Big Head Cutouts. They were a great addition to the celebration. The quality of the Big Head Cutouts was excellent. They were sturdy and well-made. Number 1. Big Dot of Happiness Fun Face Cutout Paddles. Introducing our custom face cutout paddles. These are perfect for any celebration, from birthdays to graduations, adding a personal touch to your event. Each paddle is impressively sized, about 10 to 12 inches tall, ensuring your custom face makes a big statement. We even incorporate long hair for an extra fun look. Personalizing your props is simple. Just click Customize Now and upload a high-quality photo, following our easy guidelines for the best possible outcome. Crafted from sturdy, corrugated plastic, these cutouts are built to last. They are waterproof, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor events, and can be reused. Proudly designed and produced right here in Wisconsin, USA. We use high-quality materials to ensure vibrant and long-lasting prints for your special occasion. What we like. Looking for a fun, personalized prop for a group event? This set of 6 custom face paddles is perfect for creating a unified and exciting atmosphere. If you're planning a party, sporting event, or any gathering where you want multiple people to have a fun, personalized prop, this is an excellent choice. They are durable and waterproof, ensuring they hold up for any celebration. What people say. The Big Head Cutout graduation is a fantastic way to add a fun and personalized touch to any graduation party. These cutouts are surprisingly sturdy and hold their shape well, making them a great prop for photos. The printing quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and clear details that really make the heads pop. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.